Imagine the Amazon rainforest, often dubbed the lungs of the earth, suddenly disappears overnight. The immediate effect would be a drastic increase in carbon dioxide levels, accelerating global warming at unprecedented rates. Biodiversity would suffer enormously, with countless species facing extinction as their habitats vanish. Indigenous communities and local populations relying on the forest for survival would face catastrophic adversities. Global weather patterns would be severely disrupted, leading to erratic climates worldwide, while the economic impact from the loss of resources in pharmaceuticals and agriculture would be devastating. This hypothetical scenario underscores the critical ecological role the Amazon plays, serving as a cautionary tale about the importance of its preservation.